Hey friends, how you doing? Let's talk about Sundial here. So, I put the question on the thumbnail, is Sundial being delisted? Sundial's being delisted. I'm seeing a lot of news, a lot of rumors, a lot of questions, really. Is Sundial going to be delisted? Here's what we know right now. As of right now, there are no talks of delisting Sundial. There are a lot of articles questioning and talking. Now, surprisingly, here's the whole thing with what is going on right now with that situation. Obviously, for a stock to stay on the stock exchange where it's at right now, Sundial we're talking about, they have to have a dollar minimum price, bid price, for at least 10 consecutive trading days in a calendar year. Obviously, Sundial is over that right now, so this is what is scaring a lot of investors. But here is more news. The last time Sundial was even touching a dollar was back in June. And we almost touched a dollar a few more times, but still we did not hit that dollar mark even for a few days. So right now, we're expecting some news to come out here soon with what could happen. A delisting is probably way off the table, let's be honest here. We're seeing a lot of stocks right now go through this same situation where they're being talked about being delisted, but they're not being delisted. What is happening and what will happen more than likely with Sundial, unless something dramatic changes here with this new deal, this acquisition that they're trying to complete and get done. Sundial more than likely will take an extension, a 180-day extension, and then see where they're at, see if they can get their stock to $1. And if that doesn't work, then they'll probably take another extension. A stock is allowed to take a few extensions. Or they could just cut to the chase and take a reverse split and get these outstanding shares bought up and raise the stock. Obviously, no one wants to be part of a reverse split. Most of the time, they suck. I have seen them go well, but most of the time, they do suck to be a part of. So right now, that is the news with Sundial, what's going on. Every day, we're waiting for Sundial to come out here and say something. They're not. All we're hearing about right now is about this new acquisition that they are trying to complete, which is driving the stock up a little bit, but obviously, it's still not enough. When Sundial had that back-to-back stock buyout back in February of 2021, gosh, that seems like yesterday. That was the last big pop we had with Sundial. Now, obviously, since then, Sundial has been doing a lot of buying of other companies, trying to move forward of what they're going to be and what they're going to look like here in the future. And obviously, the market has changed a lot just since last year. Our bull market's gone. We're in a bear market. Growth stocks are down across the board. We've seen a lot of different stocks, penny stocks, growth stocks, have reverse splits, and even some being delisted. That has happened. We have seen that. But as of right now, Sundial is still a very popular stock. It's whether we like it or not, it has become a meme stock. It has become a YouTube stock. But you do need to be aware of the full danger with investing in Sundial right now. You could most definitely get involved in a reverse split. Or if you're in Sundial for like over $1 right now, you bought this a year ago saying like, I think this is going to do something when we had that bull market, and now you're like, I'm way under. Well, obviously this is time where you think about, do you want to buy your way out of this? Is Sundial going to go back up into a 50, 60, 70 cent range here with this acquisition taking place? It's hard to tell right now. This market is not, it's not doing anything for investors, and it's probably going to keep going the rest of the year. Let's be honest here. There's no light at the end of the tunnel right now. So friends, I just want to put that out there and say, I'm seeing a lot of questions, a lot of things going on right now. This is a moving situation that we're seeing right now with Sundial. We're not getting a yes, we're not getting a no. And while I'm making this video, who knows, they may release something. But I do want to warn you, and listen, I'm bullish on Sundial. I love Sundial. I'm not trying to be in here like this is a terrible company. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, hey, where the market is right now and where Sundial is right now, Sundial is trying to stand on its 2 feet, and it's trying to get that third leg out there, that tripod leg, but we're just not seeing it. So be careful who you're listening to and how much money you put into this right now, because yes, it's on a move right now. Yes, we've had a few rebound days here in the market, but if we have learned anything this year, we can get fooled very easy by this market. It can come back even worse this coming week. So, friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Everyone, take care. Bye, friends.